Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts.
Today we are checking out the brand Mate the Label. Now, Mate the Label is your minimalist dream. Think elevated basics, clean lines, cozy fabrics, and all made with organic cotton and non-toxic dyes. It is female founded, made in California, and they are deeply rooted in sustainability. But what does this material feel like and how does it look? Does it make you feel good? Today we are checking out all of those things with a deep dive into the Mate the Label basics. Now what I have with me today are 2 bottoms and 1 top. So I picked up the biker shorts in a size small, the leggings in a size extra small, and a really cool asymmetrical tank in a small as well. Now, the first thing that I think we need to talk about is the fabric. So this fabric does feel like cotton. It is made with 92 to 95% organic cotton and the rest in spandex. So you'll see the amounts vary from item to item based on what the item is. For these 3 items, they are going to be the same material. So they're going to be 92% cotton, organic cotton. Now, let's talk about sizing for a second. So in the biker shorts, I picked up a size small. In the leggings, I picked up an extra small. And in the tank, I picked up a small. Now for reference, my sizing is usually like a 0 or 2 all around. So I am a 32C in the chest, and I kind of thought I could go with an extra small or a small, but this is what was available in the things that I was looking for. Now let's talk about the fabric. So you're starting to see me like pull on the fabric, and you can see there is quite some give. You can also see that it is kind of see-through. So we do have to remember that this is a cotton material. So if we're comparing this to like a Lululemon Align or an Airlift Aloe Yoga, it's going to feel a little different. These items do feel a little bit tougher, a little bit rougher. They're not going to be the buttery soft items that you remember from Aloe or Lulu. So if that's what your benchmark is, I would say you might be a little disappointed. Now, that being said, they do feel stretchy. They do feel like they have a lot of compression. I was advised that if you want something to be a little bit more compressive, that you should size down. So that's something to keep in mind. That is why I picked up the extra small and the small in the bottoms, just to give them a try. I usually wear a size small in Aloe Yoga's Align leggings because I like the extra space. However, I can fit in an extra small. And in Lululemon Align, I usually wear a size 6. Now, the same thing is going to go for all of these items because they are the same material. However, there are a few nuances. So on the tummy portion of the leggings, you are going to have a 2-ply fabric. So that is going to give you a little bit more compression as well. Whereas on the legs, you are going to see it is just a 1-ply. So it's going to feel a little bit less sturdy, a little bit more stretchy, a little bit more forgiving. Now, that's pretty much the same that a lot of other brands do with their leggings. So I think only on the very light colors with Lululemon, you get a 2-ply like throughout the legging, and I honestly find that when I see that, it's kind of uncomfy. Now, looking at the profile, you will see that they're pretty high-waisted and the seam goes straight across. Now, I think that brands need to start doing like a V seam because I think it's just a little bit more flattering, but you know, these are pretty standard, so do with that what you will. Now, the biker shorts are basically the same thing, so we're going to skip looking at those and we'll get into the try-on. Alrighty, so first up we have our asymmetrical top and our biker shorts. Now, I have to say, upon putting these on for the first time, I am really impressed. I really like them. I think they're flattering. I think they are tight enough. Now, in terms of sizing, I was kind of expecting the top to have a little bit more give, and the bottom I was expecting to feel a little bit bigger, if that makes sense. So the bottom does feel a little large in the shorts. I think I probably should have gone with an extra small. And I am really glad that I went with a small in the top. Now, I always think the best way to get a good sense for the sizing is to size up or down and see how you feel differently. So these leggings are in a size extra small, and I felt like they were a little tight. I felt like if I wore them all day, I would kind of feel a little tired. You can see it's a little bit harder for me to pull the fabric away from my body, especially in the leg area. That being said, I do think they're flattering. I think this material, or at least this colorway of material, is going to be a little bit more forgiving. Now, I do have an exciting bonus try-on for you that I did forget to unbox at the beginning, but I found an extra small in the sports bra. Now, as I was saying, size comparisons always let you know whether you did pick the right size or if you're in between. And I do think that this extra small felt like a good size for the sports bra itself, but I think also confirms for me that the size small in the tank was the good choice. All right, that's all I have for you for this first little dive into Mate the Label. Overall, I really love the brand. But I want to know what you think. Drop me a comment below and we'll keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.